One of the biggest emotions that I feel while being on site is happiness. My name is Yash. I'm from Chicago. I'm a student studying software engineering at Loyola University. It's been about a year and a half that I've been on site doing Seva. When there's unity, everyone comes together to work together no matter what. Everyone's mindset just becomes one. The impact that's gonna have on my life is the different qualities that I've learned from here, such as communication, leadership, teamwork. What motivated me to come on site was the first of its kind documentary and how those Haribhaktos, after 20, 25 years, we're still happy looking back at the mandir that they volunteered or helped at. So 10 years down the line, when I'm come back to look at this place or do darshan, I've experienced that same happiness, that same sukh that they had while they were talking about it. Seeing how everyone comes together with a smile to work on this big project, Maha Mandir, putting it all together is what drives me every morning. My journey here has been long, tiring, but at the end of the day, it was all worth it.